I met this girl. I met her through a couple like friends, like people that I lived with. Like dark skin, black girl, big fucking tits. Like her tits was so big, and like me, I love big tits, innit? Like, do you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah,
yeah, like I don't want a girl with a PlayStation 2 bum, but I like girls with big tits in it, because a lot of times when you get girls with big tits, their bum is just caves in, bruv. It just curves in some weird
that's
way.
So dead, bro.
Yeah, it's just like, bruh, I don't even want to ever see you bent over, like, bro, that's mad.
Never.
So, boom, yeah, like I met her. I didn't even know her name. She just got my Facebook. Yeah, this was in like 2015, 2014. Yeah, something like that, when people were still using Facebook. Like, and I didn't even use Facebook really, but she was like, "Oh, what's your Facebook?" Boom, boom, boom. I never had her number, didn't know her name, nothing. Yeah, boom. One day I was on Facebook, and then you know when the little messenger pops up, like, boop.
Yeah.
And it was like, "Oh yeah, you're right. It's me from the basketball court with your friend." And I was like, "Oh, what are you saying?" Boom, boom, boom. She's like, "Yeah, I'm just chilling at home, innit?" And I'm just like, "Get me? I just need some company and shit." I was like, "Rare." Now, bear in mind, yeah. Now, bear in mind, yeah. This is the kind of life I was living when I was playing football. Like this kind of shit happened a lot, innit? Like girls just wanna fuck you the first day. So boom. Anyway,
yeah, that clout, innit?
That little social status on campus thing.
Basically.
So boom, now, she said, yeah, because her dorm room was like across campus, and bearing in mind this was at like 12:30 at night, blood. I had football workouts at 6 o'clock that morning, bruv. Yeah, but I was like, fuck it, YOLO. I'm living my life, bruv. You get me? I'm in America. This is what I'm meant to do, bruv. You get me? Yeah. Fuck it, YOLO, bruv. Man went over there. Yeah, I just remember I knocked on the door. I've never really hung out with this girl, never even chat to her. Only chat to her on the fucking Facebook Messenger. She's all talking about, I just feel a bit low because I'm having problems with my boyfriend and blah blah. She had a man as well. I forgot that. That was a very pivotal part, man. She had a man as well, man. She said her man was getting on her nerves and blah blah blah. I was like, rare.
Yeah, and you calling me a savage, bro? Come on,
bro. I've done this more than once. so I just remember knocking on the door. Like I texted her, then knocked on the door, and she just come. She opened the door. She literally had like little booty shorts on, like tight, like high shorts, bruv. Like and then just some tight little vest thing. And remember, her tits were huge, bruv. Like so, it's just like. Bro, I know I'm gonna fuck this girl. 100. There's absolutely no way I'm not gonna fuck this girl. Yeah. So boom. Anyway, so I just played it cool. Like, you get me? Oh yeah, what's England like? Blah blah blah. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's calm. You get me? She's like, oh, you play football? I was like, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Do you know this person? You know? Oh, do you know this person? That person? Yeah, of course I do. I play football, don't I? We're on a fucking same team. Of course I know them. Yeah. Anyway, cut long story short, she was like, oh yeah, you can stay over if you want. I was like, alright, cool. So night time come, yeah. I'm still playing it cool now. And then what is it? She said, oh, you could sleep on the floor, I'll sleep on the bed. Yeah. Remember these dorm rooms are small, innit? Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, alright, whatever. And then I just remember I was thinking, what the fuck? So I must have said, hey, come down. Yeah, I was in a mad mode because I like to fuck girls on the floor, innit? I don't know why. I'm just me, yeah. Sorry. So I just said, "I come here, come down here, like keep me company, innit?" Like, and I just remember, like, she just laid down, she just turned on her back, and her tits were just like that. I just started feeling her up, lipsing her up, just taking off everything. I started fucking her, blood, yeah. Normal, bro. And then that was it. And then I fucked her a couple more times. But the worst part about it. That morning, because we was drinking alcohol, bruv, I still had to go to morning workout at 6, bruv. I didn't get to sleep till about 3:30, bruv, that morning, bruv. Yeah. Damn. I had morning workout at 6, bro. I was fucked, bruv. Because remember, I still had to go to my apartment and get my training stuff to go to training, bruv. I was blood. Everyone was like, oh, you smell of alcohol. Oh, you was around Richez's house, wasn't you? But like, what? Niggas already knew I was there because her housemates had seen me, innit? And the housemates know niggas on the team, so they was like, oh yeah, you was with ha ha ha. And then my boy, he was like, yeah, I fucked her as well. I was like, ah, yeah, cool.
Ooh.
Yeah, but I didn't care though. Like, you know what I'm saying? I didn't care.
One of them, fuck. Yeah.
Yeah, bruh. Yeah. So, bruh, I always, bruh, it's bare stories, man. There's bare stories. But, no, do you know what? I had one facting play me, though. Oh, my days. Listen.
What?
Listen. So, there was this thing, yeah. This one was a light-skinned one, yeah. Light-skinned, fat, but, again, huge tits. Like, this is always the Emma. If I'm going to mess with a fat thing, better be huge, blood.
Better be huge.
Yeah, I don't want to see the belly first, bruv. I want to see nipples first. Alright, next thing. So, again, this is in America again.
Yeah.
And this is when I realized that just because the girl's fat doesn't mean she's going to be a nice person, blood, yeah? Because, like, this girl, my friend lived, like, he was just completely just friends with her, yeah? And he stayed at the apartment and he was like, oh, Thingy likes you, innit? Like, she thinks that you're hot. Boom, boom, boom. I was like, I don't really like her, like, you get me? She's just a fat thing, innit? But I just thought...
I know what you mean, bro.
I was just like, I was in my little scumbag moves, innit? I was just like, oh, f*** it. Let me just go and do something. I was...
Savage mode, fam.
Blood, fully, bruv. Sicko mode. I was a sicko mode, because I was just like, fuck it. Let me go over there, yeah? So, boom, innit? Like, I just remember, like, I went over there flirting with her and that. She was flirting and all that. Get me? But nothing happened. And because she had a kid as well. She had a kid. And that kind of put me off, like, dealing with girls with kids as well. Because the kid was just running around everywhere. And then, like, I just remember, like, after that, I texted her a couple of times. And then my boy came back and said, oh, yeah, Thingy said that you was thirsty. And blah, blah, blah. And I was like, what? This girl said I was, oh shit. I was like, nah, I was pissed. Like, how dare you say I was thirsty for you, bro? I was just trying to get quick ting and move on, bro. I didn't even really want to do nothing like that. She said, oh yeah, because he said that she said, oh yeah, he was texting me and telling me to let's link up. And just being like thirsty and shit. So me saying let's link up is being thirsty. I was just like, raw. I was like, thirsty, wow. Like, I couldn't believe what was going on, bruv. I was like, I don't even like you. Like, you're the one that said I'm fit. I didn't even fucking say nothing about you. Like, and now you're running around saying, oh yeah, he's thirsty for me. I was like, oh my god, bruv. But we actually ended up being cool and friends after that, but nah, man, I was just like, nah, I will never give no thing like that, any kind of, like, gassing. I'm not gassing them up at all.
You know what it is, Richez? She wanted to feel good about herself, bro. Because she knew she wasn't nothing, bro.
Yeah, what I should have done is just ignore her ass.
Literally, bro.
Yeah, man, she tried it, bro. But she taught me a valuable lesson that I've not made that mistake again, man.